Hello, I'm recording today in regards to my assignment number 3. So, my magic number, then my student number, then I run the program, and I'm doing the questions quiz 2, question 2, quiz 3, question 1, and quiz 5, question 2 out of the 5 options. Thank you. For quiz 2, question number 2, the question was to build a machine learning model for some problem where the data has 2 numerical attributes xa, xb, and 1 numerical target y. Algorithm analysis considering the linear regressor for the task, and I've been asked to choose which of the following statements is a correct understanding of Alice's decision. I had chosen Alice had discovered how XA and XB related to Y. Since this is a linear regression model, the way linear regression model works is the relationship between two variables through a straight line equation is defined between one independent and one independent variable. So I had considered the relations of XA and XB with Y, and I believe Alice had done the same. What I had not taken under consideration was that the value of the model parameters A, B, and C were also required in order to do that. And also, the hypothesis space is also something that is required to measure the data distribution, which I hadn't considered. So the right answer was that Alice has determined the hypothesis space. So I got this answer wrong. I did realize why my answer was wrong, and I was able to fix it on my second attempt. So for question number 3, quiz number 3, question number 1, the question was how many parameters in a linear regression model taking input of 10 data attributes has been trained based on 150,000 training samples. So I chose 150,000 into 10, which resulted in the wrong answer because the question talks about the model and not the samples under question. So in order to get the parameters, so when we test it, we are adding one more attribute to the regression model, which is in this case the correct answer. 10 plus 1 equals 11. What I did was I considered the amount of samples and multiplied 10 with 150,000, which is incorrect. Yeah, so the correct answer is 10 plus 1 equals 11. So for quiz 5, question number 2, I've been asked to judge between two statements, S1, S2. The first one has two possible outcomes, A or B. An observation of A 1 by 2, B 1 by 2 contains more information than that of A 1 by 20, 19 by 20. For an experiment for S2, for an experiment of two possible outcomes, A or B, an observation of A0, B1 contains no information at all. So for the first one, A1 by 2 and B1 by 2 possibly has more information than that of A1 by 20 and B19 by 20, which was what I had chosen because that did seem like the correct answer to me. And also for the experiment of two possible outcomes of an observation of A0, B1 containing no information at all. It is true because A0, B1 where the value of A is 0 holds no information at all. So for this reason I had chosen S1 to be true and S2 to be true as well.